Hello everyone, I'm Vishwas. Hope you all are doing good. This week, there are huge openings for freshers and experienced candidates in many companies. If you feel these job openings are not matching your skills, I would suggest you to share this video to the people who are in job search so that it will help them. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for more videos on latest job updates. So without any delay, let's get started with today's video. Amazon is hiring for Seller Partner Support Associate role. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required. Location Bangalore. Salary 2,75,000 to 4 lakh per annum. Job description: the Seller Support Associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Demonstrate effective, clear and professional written and oral communication. Provides prompt and efficient service to Amazon sellers and merchants including the appropriate escalation of seller issues. Maintains acceptable performance metrics such as quality, productivity, first contact resolution and attendance. Basic qualifications: bachelor degree in any stream with 0 to 10 years of experience. Excellent written and verbal communication skills in English. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which are provided in the description. Accenture Solutions Private Limited is hiring for query management role. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location Chennai. Job summary: you will be aligned with our customer support vertical and helping us in managing, resolving customers' query, handling escalations and complaints of the dissatisfied customers and giving best resolutions. The query management team is accountable for inbound or outbound calls and emails, chat support to resolve customer issues. The role is aligned to our service desk non-voice support team, which is responsible for recording, diagnosing, troubleshooting, resolving or assigning incidents and service requests based on a defined scope of support. Roles and responsibilities: in this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Your primary interaction is within your own team and your direct supervisor. In this role, you will be given detailed instructions on all tasks. The decision that you make impact on your own work and closely supervised. You will be an individual contributor as a part of team with predetermined narrow scope of work. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Hinduja Global Solution is hiring for AR callers. Job highlights: freshers can apply for this role. 50 vacancies. Location Hyderabad. Salary 1 lakh to 2 lakh 25,000 per annum. Eligibility criteria: graduation is mandatory. BE BTech graduates are not eligible. 2019 and 20 freshers without any backlog can apply for this role. Interview rounds: HR round, online test, voice and accent test, final round. You can directly contact HR from the link which I have provided in the description. IBM India Private Limited is hiring for finance and administration delivery role. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location Bangalore. Job description: the finance and admin business analyst is essential to the ongoing profitable operations for one of the most globally recognized and respected companies in the world. Your role and responsibilities: as delivery practitioner, you are responsible for transactions processing in accounts payable and accounts receivable. Coordinate all accounting activities associated with the general ledger, particularly fixed assets, intercompany inventory, cash and bank, indirect tax and accruals. Identify risk and opportunities to revenues, cost and profitability and purpose. Require technical and professional expertise. Minimum 0 to 1 year of work experience in finance and accounting. Ability to manage order fulfillment, collecting and applying cash payments. Experience to identify duplicate records in the vendor invoice receipt. Verify and process the invoice accurately and in timely manner. Preferred technical and professional experience. Proficient in Microsoft applications and familiar with accounting terminologies. Experience in handling queries via calls and emails is highly desired. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Flipkart Internet Private Limited is hiring for industrial trainee role. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required. 11 vacancies. Location Bangalore. The internship program mirrors the project and responsibilities that management trainees are expected to perform and is to one of the avenues from which we select talent for upcoming management trainee program. Can start internship between 15th October 2020 to 15th November 20. Roles and responsibilities: as an industrial trainee at Flipkart, you will be working with with business and finance leaders to produce and deliver financial analysis that would facilitate decision making. In functions such as controlling organization, internal audit, business finance, financial planning, tax and enterprise risk management in the 15-month, which includes 90 days of paid examination leave. What this job initials? You will be placed with one of the business units in the finance world. You will be assigned projects aligned to areas where Flipkart is currently investing. Must have skills: strong Microsoft Excel alongside good management reporting and presentation skills. Ability to collaborate with different stakeholders and manage priorities based on project requirements. Business focus and customer understanding. Who can apply for this role? Only those candidates who can apply have completed their undergraduation, cleared IPCC both groups in the first attempt. Citel India Private Limited is hiring for international customer support voice. Job highlights: 0 to 2 years of experience required, 1 vacancy, location Hyderabad. Job profile: provide customer support to US or UK customers. Education qualification: any undergraduate, graduate, fresher can apply for this role. Anyone pursuing regular education would not be eligible to apply for this job. Desired skills: need excellent communication skills in English. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Sutherland Global Services is hiring for international voice process. Job highlights: 1 to 3 years of experience required, location Hyderabad. Job role: international inbound voice process. Candidate prime role will be assisting the customers through calls. Should be excellent in communication skills. Experience and qualifications: minimum 12th class as qualification, minimum 5 months to 3 years of international inbound voice process experience, maximum 5 years of experience can also be considered. Should be excellent in verbal communication. Flexible to work from office. 24/7 rotational shifts, rotational offs, no fixed Saturday or Sunday offs. Job location Manikonda, Hyderabad. Date of joining should be immediate. Interview process: HR interview, hiring manager operations, voice and accent. Interested candidates can directly contact HR from the link which I have provided in the description. Accenture Solutions Private Limited is hiring for healthcare management role. Job highlights: 1 to 3 years of experience required, location Chennai. In this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Job summary: the healthcare operations vertical helps our clients drive breakthrough growth by combining deep healthcare delivery experience and subject matter expertise. You will be part of the healthcare management team, which is responsible for the administration of hospitals, outpatient facilities. This includes day-to-day operations, department activities, medical and health services, budgeting and rating, research and education, policies and procedures, quality assurance, patient services, and public relations. The healthcare delivery team focus on the process of providing care to patients, including hospital departments, clinical services, and other functions integral to the patient journey. Good to have skills: health data analytics, good communication skills, analytical skills. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Hinduja Global Solutions is hiring for specially abled people. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required, 1 vacancy, location Bangalore, salary 1,75,000 per annum. Job description: position back office executive. Any graduate, fresher or experienced, no BE, BTech postgraduate should apply for this role. Willing to work in rotational shifts, 2-way cab facility provided, 5 days working, 2 days off. Desired skills and abilities: good communication skills, good analytical skills, basic computer knowledge. Interested candidates can directly contact HR from the link which I have provided in the description. That's all for today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you all. As I said earlier, please share this video as much as possible so that it will reach the maximum people who are in need of job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you for watching.